small elemental area or length. So this whatever small area we have considered, so we'll find out the elongation for this first, then we'll apply for whole body. Okay, so elongation of small elemental area, that's nothing but this, can be given by delta element. Since I'm finding out elemental areas, so delta elemental is equal to applying this PL by AE. So delta element, what is P? P is P itself, because here you can see P. What is L? What is length for small elemental area? It's not total L, it's dx. P into dx divided by area. So what is the area? What is the area? So area is nothing but, at this point, since it is a small strip out of this, so I can consider this as a rectangle itself, correct? So I can consider this as a rectangle itself, so I'm applying this formula. So I'm considering a small part of it. The slight change in tapering will not make a big issue. Okay, so what I can treat, so I can treat this elemental strip as a rectangular one only, and then I can use this same thing. So therefore area is what, how much? So area at this point is uh, thickness is how much? T. This is width B. So area B into thickness T into E. E is constant. Okay, now what we can do further? So this P is constant. Okay, uh, E is constant, T is constant in this equation. Only this dx and B are variable. Okay, so using these two terms, so let's change the whole equation with respect to tapering. So using B, so what I'll do, I'll replace B. So I'll consider B is what over here? What is this B? What is this B? I don't know what is this B. So let's see what is that. So B I'll write as B1 minus decrease in width, we can, for x is equal to, what I can say, it's L, for L it is this much, for x it is how much? So this multiplied by this divided by this. So B1 minus B2 multiplied by x, B1 minus B2 multiplied by x divided by L. So this is change in width for Ex. So now for simple consideration, what I'll consider is, for simplification, consider B1 minus B2 by L equals K. So therefore change or decrease in width for x is equal to Kx. So why? Because this whole term is Kx. Okay, done. So now substitute the value, or substitute Kx in equation 1. So which is the equation 1? Equation 1 is this. So what it becomes? B equals B1 minus Kx. So decrease in width is nothing but Kx. So that's nothing but B is equal to B1 minus Kx. Done? Okay. Okay. So therefore delta, coming back to this equation, coming back to this equation, this was our delta equation. So coming back to delta elemental, is equal to P dx. What is B? B we have got it as B1 minus kx. So you can see B is B1 minus kx into T. What is this T? T is nothing but this T into E. Okay, therefore this is elongation for small